Well, here we go with our trader rundown. Joining me now is Todd Bubba Horwitz, and good to have you back on the show, Todd.
Always great to be here.
Let's take a look at this market now. You have been making this call that we're basically stuck in some sort of range here.
And we are. I mean, here we are. Markets are as quiet as they can be. We've lost volume, volatility, all out.
How much of that has to do, though, with the fact that we are going into a holiday here? We have Memorial Day.
That's only going to get worse now.
So the volume
it's going to get
starts
slower.
to decrease.
It's going to get. Look, here's what happens. The markets have resolved some of the issues that they had. There was some fear. So now all of a sudden the volume drops. Anytime the markets rally on dull market conditions, that means the volume's going to slide, because the real money that's buying right now is the money that flows in from mutual funds every morning, from IRAs, 401ks, because that's what always happens every day. There's money that comes into the market. That's why dull markets typically rally. Now we're breaking to the upside, so we could certainly see a rally, and if it continues, you could probably see some volume. Now, I don't expect any this week, because you've got, Friday's going to be quiet. Nobody will work. You've got Monday, which is a holiday, so that's what we're going to see.
Let's take a look at maybe a potential trade here. Do you put on maybe a Trump trade here, or do you just play the earnings? What would you like to do here?
I'm playing a couple of little things. I'm playing Applied Material. I'm using that as what I'll call a trade that went too far, too fast to the downside. They had earnings last week. The stock got absolutely clobbered. So I'm buying some Applied Material under 50. I'm looking at American Airlines, but that has already rallied a little bit, so that may be a little bit late. But anything that has moved, what I'm looking for now in a market that's doing what is happening, is I'm looking for something that moves too far or too fast in one direction or the other. I don't care which direction, but if it goes up too fast, then I'm going to look to sell it. If it goes down too fast, I'm going to look to buy it, because really what we'll see is probably a reversion to mean as the market stays slow and there's not a lot going on.
Well, there's a lot going on with you on the show, so thanks so much.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.